Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to create a video from an image in native Android application using the Media3 transformer library. So once we pick an image, create a video out of it, we are also saving that video to external storage so the user can access it wherever he feels like. So just to tell you, here is my file explorer, and here you can see I have 3 videos at the start. Once our output is done, there will be 4 videos. So I'll just go back to our application. Again, I'm mirroring my device, so the output is little laggy, so just bear with me. And I'll just open the logcat as well because I want to show you guys the progress of how much is done. I'll just click on pick image, and here you can see I have 2 images. I'll just select the first image, and here you can see it is automatically displaying the logs progress as well. And here you can see it has converted to a video, converted this image to a video, and it has also applied a grayscale filter to this. Now if I go back to my file explorer, here you can see there is 4 videos now. Also regarding the progress, this was pretty quick, that's why I was not able to show you the progress much, but here you can see the progress is displayed. So I will just name it as progress. So here you can see 1 0 then 200. So that means the progress went from 0 to 100 pretty quickly. This first value which you see is the progress state. Sometimes this doesn't go till 100. So with the help of progress state, you can identify whether the conversion was successful or not, whether it has completed or not. So if this progress state becomes 0, that means it has completed, but sometimes this doesn't go to 100. So just keep an eye on that. So anyways, so this has converted, so I had set the video duration length to 3 seconds, that's why it was only 3 seconds. Anyways, let's see how to do this. So firstly I will just what I have done, I'm using XML layout. If you want, you can use Jetpack Compose as well. So here you can see that inside build.gradle.kts I have added few dependencies: this Media3 exo player, this Media3 UI, Media3 common, Media3 transformer, and Media3 effect. It is giving me a warning telling me to use version catalog. I don't really interested in that. This is just a sample project. So make sure you add all this dependency and just click on sync now, then it will download all the Android dependencies for you. Once it has downloaded all the Android dependencies for you, then you can go to activity_main, and here you can see that all I have done is that I have just taken one button to pick an image, and also I have taken one player view to actually play the video of the converted image, and then I have also taken one progress bar. This was pretty quick, that's why you might not even have seen the progress bar. But yeah, that's how simple our layout file is. Feel free to pause the video if you want and copy all this code which I have. Then I just went to our main activity. Firstly, these are all the imports. Again, if you want, feel free to pause the video and copy all these imports which I have. Now the very first thing, I have to mark this as unstable because this transformer thing which we are using, it's still bit unstable, even though in the Gradle version it is not mentioned that. We have to at least mark this as unstable. I think by the time you watch it, maybe it might be, you might even not need this, but if I remove this, this will start complaining. Here you can see, that's why I have to use this. And I have also extended transformer.listener, so we will be overriding 2 methods, on completed and on error. So here I have taken an exo player, I have taken one player view as well, and this is our progress bar. Then here I have taken one file name just to save that converted image to video, and then here is playback position is 0, play when ready is true. This is our transformer and this is our file as well. Then I have taken one handler as well as one progress holder as well. I'll come back to this later on. And here you can see inside on create, we are first getting hold of our button, and on click of it we just call this new image picker.launch, and we are only picking images. So this particular thing calls comebacks over here. So once the user picks an image, I'm just releasing the player if it is already playing some video, and I'm just calling transform video method, so it will actually convert that image to a video, which I will show you in a bit, and we are passing the URI of the picked image. Then here we are initializing our input player, which takes a video URL. So again, this is boilerplate code, so yeah, you can just copy it. We are creating our exo player, play when ready is true. Here we are saying player, I think I wrote this twice, you don't need this twice. and there here we are creating our media item, setting to our input player, seeking the playback position and preparing our input player. Then here we are releasing our player as well, and here we are stopping. So here this is a method to release our player. So on stop, we release our player. I think this is not necessary because our min hdk is already 24. So if you want, you can remove this. This is not really if your min hdk is less than 24, then you might require this. Similarly, on pause, I'm just calling pause our input player, and on destroy we are releasing our player. Now coming back to the transform method. So once this is called, we first display our progress bar. Here we initialize our transformer as well. Then here we create an image item from the image url which we have passed. Then you don't need to apply any effect. So like I shown you in the video, I applied a grayscale effect. If you don't want that, you can just uncomment this, and you can also comment this. You can comment this out, and you can comment this out. So I'll leave that up to you. So once we have the image item, we just do edited media item dot builder image item, and here you can set the duration. So I have set it as 3 seconds. Change it to whatever you feel like, set the frame rate to whatever you feel like, and just call build. Then here I'm creating our external file and then starting the transformation. This entire code which you see is for handling the progress state. So here you can see that I'm logging the progress state as well as the actual progress. So this can be 0, 1 and 2, and this can be from 0 to 100. And here I have added a 500 milliseconds delay just for the sake of it. And then here we create our external file. Again, I have just copy pasted this code on how to create an external file. Yeah, you can change it to whatever you feel like. And this is how we save the file to external storage. So we just get, again, I have just copy pasted this code. So yeah, maybe you can do the same thing. I'll simply scroll through this. Feel free to pause the video wherever you feel like, and just copy all this code. Now at the top we were extending transformer dot listener. That's why we have to override on completed as well as on error. So once on completed is done, we display our input player. Then I just save the file to external storage, and then once we have the URI from external storage, we initialize our input player as well as start playing the video and hide our progress bar as well. In case of error, I hide both input player and progress bar and display the error message inside toast. So yeah, that's it. I'll simply scroll through this file. If you want, you can pause the video wherever you feel like, and just copy all this code. But yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.